Okay, so here we are on Shout on espn.com/shout, and I just wanted to give you a little tour of the individual Shout page. So let's find a cool Shout. Let's go to funnies, those are always popular. And then here's the top one. So first, if you go to funnies, you can see fresh stories or popular stories pretty easily by looking at the categories. Let's look at fresh stories again. And let's choose Title Clips of the Heart little version. So you click on that, or you click on the picture, and it will take you to this page, which is the page we're going to talk about, which is the single page for a Shout. One, it shows how many times people have voted it up, shows the title, the link to go directly to where this was submitted by, a description they put it in, where it was, and when it was submitted under. So if it's a video in this case, or a picture, there's a picture here, you can always click on this. You'll know it's a video if there's a little play icon. So in this case, we can click on it, and it'll come up here, and we can play some of this video.
Random use of candles, empty bottles, and cloth, and can you see me through this fence?
Enough of that.
Creepy.
So just close it. Obviously, if you hadn't voted it up, I have. You could vote it up by clicking right there, and the number would go up. There's also these tabs, so you can see comments down here where you can submit a comment as long as you're signed in. It's really easy to do. You can click on who voted for this, which is going to be pretty lackluster on this particular one because it's just Mike. Related Shouts is a new fun feature for Shout, and that is by clicking on this, you get to see all the other popular Shouts from the same website this is. So this one came from YouTube, fairly popular website, so you've got a lot of those, and you can see here's all other popular Shouts from YouTube. And if you wanted to say, go down here, you can, view this one here. And you can vote these up. So you can say vote this one up right here. And watch this if you wanted to. So that's a really cool feature. One last thing I wanted to talk about, obviously there's the poll here and a little help where you can submit your own shout, but there is one last new feature that we added in this new version, that is the share this section. What this allows you to do is to tell your friends really easily about this cool shout, whether it's yours or somebody else's. So the first one is pretty obvious, it's Facebook, right? So you can click this and a window pops up that allows you to log in with your Facebook name and it will submit it to your Facebook stream really simply. This one is Twitter, and it'll take you over to Twitter and automatically type it in for you. So all you have to do is just hit update. And then this one is your email client. Now I don't have email set up on this, but if you click this, it will launch your email client and automatically put in a body and a text and the whole deal for you. You just have to click send and personalize it if you'd like. So I think this is pretty cool. Obviously, this is not a drastic change from what it was before, but I think it's an important change.